Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this super easy, fast, tiny crochet heart. So you can use any yarn and any hook size. Please note that the thicker the yarn and the bigger the hook size, the larger your heart will be. So with your yarn, form a magic ring. Now, if you don't know how to do a magic ring, I do have a tutorial on my channel, which I've linked to into the description box below. So, form a magic ring. And then chain 2. Then, working into the magic ring, we're going to place 3 treble crochet. There are American term treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull a loop, yarn over, pass through 2, yarn over, pass through 2, and yarn over, pass through 2. The second, yarn over twice, because it is an American term treble crochet. And the third, yarn over twice, then place 3 double crochet, American term double crochet, yarn over once, yarn over once, chain 1. So this is the half part of the heart. So place 3 double crochet, yarn over once, yarn over once, yarn over once, place 3 treble, so yarn over twice, yarn over twice, and yarn over twice, chain 2, and we're going to make a slip knot down here, and the heart is ready. In just 4 minutes, easy, tiny, cute heart. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye bye.